Yo, what up YouTube? It's your boy Dreads and Threads coming back at you with another video. I know it's been a minute, however, I decided I'm gonna bless you guys with a video today just cause it's been a minute and I wanted to come back at you guys with something different. I'm always used to doing this, the normal Dreads videos and updates and things like that. So I decided to go ahead and drop another Threads video. It's been months since I've actually done a Threads video. That was my first video. If you guys have not seen that, please go back and check that out, and give it a thumbs up as well too if you like it. However, it was my first video, so it is, so. But yeah, check me out, and like I said, I'm gonna just show you guys the process that I use to do any printing on my own time. And as you can see, I'm always rocking my own stuff, something that I printed as well. Got something on the back, beast mode. I'll show you guys what that looks like. But switching it up, like I said. So just hang tight and stay tuned. Alright, cool. So I'm gonna hit it with the vibes. I'm gonna go ahead and get this set up here real fast, and then I'll come right back for you guys. Just hang tight with me. Alright, so I got it all set up here, and I'm going with the width of 11 and a half, just because that's the biggest size that you can print. And then it's going to be about 2 inches tall. So I'm going to go ahead, get the printer set up. I decided I'm going to go ahead and hit it with white, just because I have a lot of white and it's going to be on some red pants. I think that'll be dope. And so let me get this set up and I'll be right back. Alright, so real quick before we go ahead and load the paper into the Cricut, I just want to let you know, so since you are going to be printing this on any type of garment, you always want to mirror the image. So to mirror the image on here, go up in the top left hand corner, click on that, and then it says mirror, and then in parentheses it says for iron on. Go ahead and click that, and it basically turns your image around. So now whenever it goes ahead and cut it, it'll actually be the correct way, so we can go ahead and heat press it onto the garment. Just a quick tip, I thought I would go ahead and mention that before I go ahead and jump into anything else. Always has to be mirrored if you are going to be printing or pressing it on any type of garment or anything like that. Alright, so I'm loading in the mat right now. I just synced the iPad to the Cricut. You know it's synced because it's blue up here. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get this started. Since it's an easy cut, I'm going to go ahead and put it on fast speed. Shouldn't take long to get it done. And here we go. That didn't work out right. Straight blooper, y'all seen it right here. Try this out again. know if y'all can see that, but you'll be able to see it here shortly. Just like that. Alright, so we got that part down. Fire up the heat press. I'll be right back once we get that to the right settings. Alright, so we already got the pans loaded up. Got the heat press turned on. Just waiting for it to hit the right temperature so we can go ahead and press this on our pans. And look just like that when we're done. Almost there at 265 right now. We got to get up to 310 degrees. .300 degrees. Wasn't that a Lil Wayne album? What was it? 300 degrees? Was it 800 degrees? Something like that. I can't remember. Alright. We're at 310. So before you go ahead and actually put it on there, you want to press it for a couple seconds just to get all the moisture out. Make sure it's dry. Lift it up. Warm. And we're good to go. Double checking, making sure it's straight. So I press this down. Yes, sir. So good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and press it. Since it is pants, it is a little bit harder to get it down. Some people wait for 10 seconds, 15 seconds. Me personally, I like to wait a little bit longer than that. I wait about 25 seconds just so I can make sure it is pressed onto the garment. Check it out. Hot for sure. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel this off. And there you go. Alright, so that's exactly how it's done. It's an easy way to customize your own clothes, man. Like I said, me, I like being different, I like rocking stuff that nobody else has. So I always try to spice up anything that I buy. Like I said, these red pants here that I bought, pretty cheap, man. I actually found them, I think at Ross or something like that. Pants were like 10, 12 bucks. Throw something on there that's pretty hot. These are just plain red pants. So now add a little, like I said, spice to it, make it look like some designer pants or designer joggers or something like that, just by adding your own touch to it. But it's a quick video. Like I said, I just wanted to do something for you guys real fast as far as the thread side goes. So follow me for more. If you could, please like and subscribe down below. And if you have any questions that you have, all the equipment that I'm using, I will put in the description down below. But it's been a pleasure. Thanks for watching.